It is the breathtaking resurrection of a forgotten soul. Buried under layers of rust, a powerful story is waiting to be unleashed. A journey to unveil the beauty hidden deep within the decay. The process is astonishing, the transformation, transformative. You have to see what this becomes. The deconstruction begins, a careful surgery on the machine's heart. Every component, no matter how small, holds a piece of the past. Each part is meticulously separated, a puzzle in reverse. Years of neglect are confronted with methodical precision. Even the most stubborn, rusted pieces must yield. The first step in healing is to expose the wounds. Now, the brutal but necessary process of purification. With painstaking effort, the ravages of time are stripped away. A blank canvas emerges, ready for a new beginning. Every surface is prepared with an artist's touch. The goal is not just clean, but flawless. A shared dedication to perfection drives the work forward. And then, the first sign of rebirth, a vibrant coat of life. The machine's identity is reborn in a brilliant flash of color. The focus shifts to the core, the very skeleton of the bike. The corrosion runs deep, a testament to its long slumber. More layers are peeled back, revealing the frame's true state. Each bolt and bracket is a challenge to be overcome. The hands of the craftsman work with intimate knowledge. The final pieces of the old self are carefully removed. The frame now stands alone, vulnerable but ready. This is the foundation upon which a legend will be rebuilt. The slow, grinding work of erasing the past begins. Under high pressure, the metal's hidden gleam is unveiled. The frame is refined, polished, and perfected. Every inch is inspected, ensuring a perfect foundation. A protective layer is applied, the first step in its new armor. Attention turns to the wheels, the connection to the road. They too must be broken down to their core components, washing away decades of dirt and decay. In a modern workshop, old meets new. Fresh rubber is expertly fitted, promising new journeys. The process requires both strength and precision. A perfect seal ensures safety and performance. Back in the artisan's hands, the preparation continues. No imperfection is allowed to remain. The wheels receive their own coat of vibrant red. A steady hand ensures a perfect, even finish. Now, the reborn components begin to come together. Inside, precision engineering ensures a smooth ride. The restored wheel is reunited with the gleaming frame. Modern tools help secure the resurrected structure. But the greatest challenge lies ahead, the engine. This is a deep dive into the mechanical heart. Layer by layer, its secrets are revealed. The intricate inner workings are exposed. It's a complex puzzle of gears, pistons, and shafts. Every single part must be removed and inspected. The heart of the machine is laid bare. This is the point of no return. The entire engine is now completely disassembled. A powerful cleansing washes away the last traces of its former life. The raw metal emerges, ready for inspection. The transformation is already astonishing. The cleaning becomes an art form, demanding patience and a steady hand. Scraping away the grime reveals the intricate details beneath. Each component is treated as a piece of a priceless artifact. Power tools are used to polish the surfaces to a mirror shine. A final wipe down by hand ensures absolute purity. The focus is on restoring not just function, but original beauty. Even the hidden inner chambers are meticulously cleaned. This level of detail is the hallmark of a true master. The head of the engine, where combustion happens, is perfected. Every groove and channel is cleared of impurities. Sanding by hand creates a perfectly smooth surface for reassembly. A final bath washes away any remaining residue. The parts are now cleaner than they were the day they were made. A collection of pristine components, ready for a new life. Polishing the engine case until it gleams. This is where craftsmanship becomes artistry. One last cleaning before the engine is given its new skin. A coat of tough, heat-resistant paint protects the masterpiece. Even the smallest internal parts are given the same attention. Because true quality is found in the details no one sees. From a collection of pristine parts, the heart begins to beat once more. The gearbox is carefully reassembled with expert precision. Each bolt is torqued to exact specifications. The camshaft, the engine's brain, is set into place. With the engine complete, the final assembly can begin. The new intake system, the lungs of the machine, is installed. It's a perfect blend of performance and style. The rear wheel is carefully guided into its new home. The reborn engine is finally reunited with the frame. The face of the machine gets its eyes, a beacon for the road ahead. The transformation is complete, a testament to vision and skill. From rust and ruin, a legend is reborn. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel at Simon Fordman for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.